Welcome to our full guide on how to see all friend requests on Facebook. Let's go through the steps together. To get started, open the Facebook app on your Android device. Tap on your profile picture to navigate to your profile page where you can access various settings and options. Once on your profile page, locate the Friends section and tap on Find Friends to manage your friend requests and connections. Within the Find Friends interface, tap on the option that says See All to access a comprehensive list of all the friend requests you have received on Facebook. Explore the list of friend requests to review and respond to pending requests, accept new connections, or manage your friend list effectively. By regularly checking your friend requests, you can stay updated on new connection requests and manage your social interactions on Facebook efficiently. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been informative in demonstrating how to see all friend requests on Facebook. Stay connected and engaged with your friends and acquaintances by managing your friend requests effectively.